All right, George GV Sports Cards here. We're doing divisional, should I say. Divisionals for the Flair, man, I'm all off. Leaf Rookie Retro. Good luck, guys. This is 8 times. We're gonna do this 8 times. This is the second one. Second one here. Good luck, guys. Felix on top. Limoncello at the bottom. 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and last one will be 8. Yeah, we're going 8 times. Got Limoncello on top, all the way down to Limoncello at the bottom. This over here so you guys can see. And your divisions in 2 other spots. Again, 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and last one. Good luck, guys, on your divisions. 8. You got Southeast on top. AL Central at the bottom. Alright, Limoncello, Southeast. Gem Mints, AFC West. Nutcracker with hockey and all the other sports. G-Shock, AL East. Cali West, NL Central. HockeyCon with Basketball Central. HockeyCon with NFC West. Philly Man Cave with Atlantic. Floyd with Pacific and basketball. Rocky Dog, AFC South. Play Shark, Southwest and basketball. That Guy Jerry, NFC South. 1-to-1 NL East. Glenn Verity will get all the undrafted players. Limoncello, NFC North. Nutcracker, Northwest in basketball. Cali West, AFC East. Cali West, NL West. Limoncello, AL West. Limoncello, AFC North. Felix with NFC East and Limoncello with AL Central. Good luck, guys.